I could train them.
Oh, look at that.
They can be trained.
Yeah.
Oh,
How come you're not photographing? Oh, you are.
fine.
I got the video going.
Come on, guys.
Neat video. Come on. You're going to be famous. Yes, you are. Back up a little. Zoom's way too quick. Holy crap, it's working. No, I wasn't talking about a trap. It's okay, buddy.
Hey, you guys should go right in that box.
Yeah, that would be awesome. You guys would love that box. Okay.
How's that box?
You should check that shit out.
We're supposed to go the other way?
I'm thinking I could slide something under it now.
Yeah, there's a piece of cardboard that was in the box. It's not
Yeah,
gonna work.
that was keeping
Like
this.
munchies?
Oh, okay.
Hey, give me a little credit there.
Oh, you got him at least.